Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, clarification on the trajectory of the Kavveri Indian and future developments. In an exclusive interview with Uday in India, Dr. Sameer V. Kamath, chairman of the DRDO, provided valuable insights into the journey of Kavveri Indian, a pivotal component of India's aerospace ambitions. While acknowledging certain challenges, Dr. Kamath unequivocally stated that the Kavveri Indian cannot be branded as a failure, highlighting its ongoing evolution, and prospects. Next, integration of micro drones with main battle tanks. The Indian Army is set to embark on a groundbreaking initiative to integrate micro drones with its fleet of main battle tanks. This visionary project aims to enhance the Army's combat capabilities by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and autonomous aerial systems. Micro drones, small unmanned aerial vehicles, have emerged as invaluable assets on the modern battlefield. Their compact size and advanced technology make them ideal for a wide range of applications, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. Next, Pentagon opening up to ideas to lease military hardware to India. The Pentagon is making efforts to strengthen its military ties with India and prevent further strategic military hardware deals between India and Russia. To achieve this goal, the United States is considering offering India military hardware on a long-term lease, a practice often employed by Russia in its dealings with India. Next, Chandrayaan 3. Unclear emblem and logo. Imprints reveals unique lunar soil properties. Chandrayaan 3 mission has provided valuable insights into the properties of lunar soil in the South Pole region, shedding light on a critical aspect of the future lunar exploration. The rover Pragyan, with its distinctive embossed Indian national emblem and ISRO logo on its rear wheels, has left indistinct imprints on the lunar surface, indicating a unique characteristics of the soil. Next, export opportunities at Indo-Pacific Army's Chiefs Conference. The Indian Army is gearing up to participate in the upcoming Indo-Pacific Army's Chiefs Conference, that is IPACC, scheduled for September 26-27 in Delhi. The primary objective for India's presence at the conference is to explore export opportunities for its indigenously manufactured military hardware. Next, Indian Army leaves for Russia to take part in military drill. An Indian Army contingent consisting of 32 personnel from a Rajputana Rifles battalion has departed for Russia to participate in a counter-terrorism field training exercise scheduled to be conducted from September 25th to 30th, the Defense Ministry announced on Saturday. Next, India, Brazil, South Africa push for early reform of UN Security Council. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his counterparts from Brazil, South Africa met for the 11th IBSA Trilateral Ministerial Commission here on Saturday and expressed their frustration with the paralysis observed at the inter-government negotiations on UN Security Council reform. Next, challenges of India's G20 presidency at UN. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Saturday called India's G20 presidency challenging due to a very sharp east-west polarization and a very deep north-south divide. In his address at India UN for Global South, Delivering for Development in New York, S. Jaishankar began his speech by speaking about India's G20 presidency and recently held the G20 summit. Thank you.